I know what it feels like to feel lost or wonder if you truly belong.
I didn't know that I could switch careers that late in my life.
I realized that I either have to accept where I am and keep going, or I could possibly change what I wanted to do.
I came across a program called AWS Restart, which is really for transitioning people who come from non-traditional backgrounds into tech.
I was researching new opportunities and found the ad for AWS Cloud Institute on LinkedIn.
It said break into tech, no experience needed. And I was like, well, that's me.
That program laid the foundation for my knowledge of cloud computing. I went from zero cloud experience to now supporting critical systems in cloud.
AWS Cloud Institute enabled me to open new doors and find new opportunities in places that I didn't know existed.
I didn't feel as alone in trying to figure out what path I needed to take.
Don't wait to feel like you're ready. If I can do it, anybody can. So can you.
For anyone looking to enter into tech, I think it is a different world now, and you can actually enter at a later time and without a computer science degree. There are all of these resources already out there. You don't need to go the traditional path. It is possible.
I don't think I understood the scope of cloud. I'm really excited for the future because I love learning and I love building. I feel like I can do anything.